Thank you to everybody who has joined this video right now. Big up every time. Mad love, mad respect. So let's kick the tour off right away. So right now you're looking at the convention center on International Drive, and this is where we're going to start the walk from. So this is the convention center, International Drive, otherwise known as I-Drive. Very beautiful place, as you can see. The vegetation, the decor, everything about this place is just super beautiful and amazing. With the waterfront, the water fountain here going on and thing. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. So that is International Drive over there, and we are going to walk International Drive. So as for the I-Ride trolley, I'm going to give you an example as to where I'm starting the walk from. So this convention center is actually located at for the I-Ride trolley at bus stop 21. Alright, so if you come off at bus stop 21, you should be okay to reach this convention center here. And you know, they have the overpass connected from one building to the other building on the other side of the road. So you know, it's not a narrating video as usual. We're just going to walk and to see what International Drive looks like in our time. You understand? So on International Drive there are loads of businesses, loads of theme parks, such as the famous one, Icon Park. You also have over there the Orlando Eye, the slingshot, the most famous slingshot in the world, which is also the tallest slingshot in the world, is actually located also on over by Icon Park, and we're gonna be walking past that. So I'm gonna walk from 21 going up to like number 1. So we're gonna go to that direction. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it to number 1, but let's see how far we can walk to. So that's it. International Drive, and as I said, the overpass is connected to that other building over there and thing. We're not going to cross here, we're going to cross at the other crossway, so we can walk on the right hand side, because over by that side is where most of the restaurant buildings and theme parks are located, on the right. So I just wanted you to see what this part looks like. Don't be fooled, we are in Florida. All these trees, the vegetation is beautiful and thing, but you notice they are not moving. It is extremely humid. A place hot. So thank you again to everybody who has joined. Please may I beg you to like the video as we walk through on International Drive, I-Drive. See? Yeah. Please like, leave a comment if you walked this place before, if you know what International Drive is all about. If you've been here, you name it, drop it in the comment section. The place is super clean. Like, I have never seen somebody cleaning up the place. Like, I have never. But there, we stay on International Drive for like 2 weeks at the Hyatt Hotel. I'm outside every day. I never see somebody clean up the place here. But yet still, the place super clean. No trash, no paper. The place run orderly. Like, trust me. Over by Orlando, I have to give it to you upon them places. The place just clean and pretty. The vegetation, everything. Look at the style of bus stop. Look at the style of bus stop. Wow. That is actually a bin. It's an automated bin. You know what I mean? Look at this. The style of bus stop. Beautiful. And you know, you have the United States Postal Service, that you can post your mail and thing. But I'm going to show you something cool about when we rated over here in Orlando. Well, I've been to LA, I've been to most of them places, right? Since I've been here. But you see over here, so for International Drive, I'm gonna show you something what them call like discipline. Read the sign. Push button to turn on warning lights. So if you want to cross, you're gonna push this button. But listen, you does not have a when to walk on the other side. So it's all gonna be dependent on the pedestrians who is going to be walking and the person who is driving. So watch it. I push the button and look what is going to happen. These people are so distant that they are going to stop once I'm here. Look at this. This car start to slow down already. All of them start slow down. And look at that. I always give them a thumbs up. And you cross. That's the warning light right there flashing. And you can go ahead. And then drive off. Look, see? Beautiful. Super great. Mad thing. Super disciplined. And when you reach to the middle right here, to go on the other side, the same thing goes. So what I realized, once you push this button and the warning light start, indicating for them to stop before you pass, if they break it, they can get a ticket. So see it? Every car starts stop and allow you to pass on the walkway easily without a sign signal. They just know that they have to stop and allow you to cross. How disciplined is that? Once you press the button and them a pass, they are going to stop and allow you to pass. So you know if you did wait and bother yourself to cross, them just stop. So that way the traffic flow easily and everything. But guess what, as a pedestrian, you better not cross right here. So where there are no pedestrian, you better not. You better cross there, because the law over here, when it comes on to jaywalking, they enforce it a lot. So back to the walk. This is where we are at right now, the Hyatt Regency. This is not the one we stayed, but I'm gonna be passing there, so no joke, no doubt. Look good. So the Hotel Convention Center and Hyatt Regency located here. All right, let's walk. So let me share something as well. Not this green bus, but the I-Trolley. It's a very, very convenient way of traveling, especially on international drive, at a very, very, very low, cheap rate. See? So you can actually pay for a ticket. Don't quote me on this. I don't remember what we paid for one of the tickets, but it's cheap. Maybe like, I think it's about $2 or $3, somewhere around there. And you can travel that bus 24 hours along international drive for 3 days. So if you purchase one of that, instead of adding money for fare each time on the bus, you just do that one thing and you can travel for 3 days on international drive, whether up or down, no matter what time, and you just swipe your card and you go through. Yeah, and they also have a lot of shuttle bus too. So if you book one of the hotels here and thing, most of these hotels have shuttle bus that travel along international drive. They will take you where you're going. Yep. she was actually parking on the crossway. Then it makes sense maybe use it.
Wait, Samoan Port. Walk sign is on the cross. Samoan Port. Samoan Port. Walk sign is on the cross.
Want me to take the picture for you?
Yes.
Gotta clean the lens off.
Come back here.
Come on.
Come back here.
Turn the. I'm just turning the camera. Alright. Are you ready?
Get a picture. It's a cheese.
Take a closer. Right. Nice.
Thank you. We were just saying that you probably are the videos that we see of because we came to Orlando because of
Yeah. I do walking videos.
Yes.
Yeah.
What channel?
This is Jamaica Walk By. Because I'm from Jamaica. So I've been walking from Jamaica and stuff like that.
Wow.
And
everything that you've seen walking from Jamaica up to here?
yeah, I've been. If you want to see what Jamaica looks like, you just go on Jamaica Walk By. You would see the parks, the town, the whatever. Yeah, even the hurricane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You guys got the biggest heart, right? Because
It was
it
was crazy.
Oh,
Jamaica?
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, that's my channel. So I've been here for a little while doing a lot of videos.
This one?
Yeah, that is it. Thank you for subscribing.
Of course.
One love.
One
This
love.
way. That's it. That's it. Yeah. So this is I-Drive. So this is. Look at this. WonderWorks, man. So the style of this video is that they made this building is that they made it kind of look upside down. See it? Yeah, so this is it. WonderWorks. This is the building right here. It's different, but it's super unique. Really nice. Upside down. We're now at 18. So this is the bus stop I was telling you about. So we've been walking from 21 and now we are at 18. So we're going there. So this is I-Fly Indoor Skydiving Center. cool is that? So this is someone under control and controlling the wind based on the size of the person, probably. Wow, strong. Very strong. Wow. He has to have loads of strength. Got some help. They got to be skilled, like the person who is actually doing it, to control that person who don't know nothing about this.
And he was a big fella, wasn't he?
Yeah!
He was a big man.
Oh my word! They really have to be working together, because I realize this guy under control is determining the level of PSI, wind coming in based on the size of the person. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I would love to try, wouldn't you, man?
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, you never tried it before?
Yeah.
You should, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, respect. Yeah. So that's crazy. I want to try that, I swear. A skydive thing there. Look mad. What's up? I know for sure if I wait like 2 minutes or so, the copter should be landing. I'm going to cross because it never stays too long. So over there is the Orlando Heli Tour. See, center camera. So usually it never stay in the air too long. So from reach now and it's not there, that means it's coming. So let's go over there. We can see the helicopter landing and stuff like that. Look how disciplined, as I always talk about this. Once the light is flashing, you can cross in peace super easily. Love it. So the other one, alright, it's gonna, oh shit, this is the wrong one I pressed. Yeah, excuse me, sorry, pressed the wrong one. Thank you. So I'm pretty sure that it's coming right about now. So let's see if we can get the helicopter landing. I'm not sure which direction it would be coming from, but it never stays away too long. So this is it. I really wanted to do the tour, but I'm not sure I'm gonna get to try it, but that's it. See? Orlando Heli Tour, $25 per person, 4 passenger plus pilot, R66 jet helicopter. There's a number to call to as well. And yeah, let us see if we can be here when it lands. It's gonna be landing right center camera there. Really cool to see. So yeah, as we continue the walk on I-Drive. So I'm gonna say I-Drive is actually a place where, is it that I'm hearing a copter coming? Let me see if it's it. Let me see if it's it. Oh yes it is. What did I say? Look. Tell her it never be up there too long. That is super cool. Wow. So this is where you come and pay for your ticket and you can get the tour done. Awesome. Awesome. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load up again. And hey, your phone, you dropped your phone.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. That's fine. So yeah, massive. So this is the Heli Tour. The Heli Tour in Orlando, Florida. And these two persons are going to go on it. So let's just watch the helicopter as it takes off and these passengers board. Let's go. Off it goes. That is it. Super cool. Orlando Heli Tours. Mad. That must be nice. will try it one day. Yep. I wanna say, who would definitely do this? It's only $25 per person, so that should be really nice. Gears up the chopper a while ago, and see, right on International Drive. Right on International Drive. You can't miss this place. And I'm telling you, the ride is not long. It's not that long, because you know, so quick and fast, them change again and off they go. So I'm going to be crossing again. Alright, I'll go back on the other side. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me just do it fast, because you know, make it even flow easier. And quicker them can move. You know? Alright, thanks. That is cool. Oh, lovely. Wall green. Yeah, I want to give this Domino's a special big up. Big up this Domino's right here. I'm telling you, they move speedy, then fast, and believe me, persons who are working in the chef department and the baking department, really good. Yeah, man, definitely. Them have some things called like I don't remember if it, not cheese. I don't remember what's the name of it. But trust me, it was really good. Like it is more like our cheese fingers, but it's not. It's like a little ball, like a cheese ball thing. Trust me, it sell off. Sell off. Even the pizza does really good. We try a few of them over here and them never so ready, but the one day, right, that's up on International Drive, the Domino's there. Yeah, man, and the mad thing. So we pull up on Bahama, or so I want to make sure I pronounce it right, you know. Bahama Breeze Island Grill. May I tell you, say, this is the spot. So the island vibe there and all of them things that like you feel like you want there Jamaica, you're there in the Caribbean. Alright, yeah, so. And the food sell off. So them also do live music too. So when I mean live music, I mean them get some reggae singer and thing while them a play. You eat your food, and inside is beautiful. Very beautiful place. See there? Bahama Breeze Island Grill. Trust me, the real island vibe. Too bad today when they don't have the musician I play today, but believe me, you should definitely check out this place when you follow the International Drive if you want somewhere nice to eat and all a vibe. Bahama Breeze, no joke. Mad thing, and the place is big. Which are they get to eat? You can eat inside and you can eat outside. Yeah, no joke. Very nice. This next spot too, yeah, and you can tell, especially when it start get dark, it's not normal. Crazy amount of people and thing gonna be here. Yeah, man. The howl at the moon. Howl at the moon. Nice spot this too. Yeah, sometimes what they do, they actually barricade the two sides and put chairs and everything right here, and you park on the back. Really cool. Over here, so now you have Hooters. Nice place too again. You have the outside grill, the outside bar, Charge you can kick it. Loads amount of TV if you watch all different kinds of stuff. What you want to watch. And thing. And you know them the wings, shrimp, burgers. Loads of different food. Here, so. Yeah man, trust me. Otters. Sell after, but my favorite is definitely Bahama Breeze. Yeah. And the food, the price is alright. Price is alright. Not for a typical Jamaican type of price still. But yeah, foreigner there, so you have to do as the foreign people them do. I've never tried over here. Never tried here, so some I don't know. But yeah. Presentation and things so far look really nice. Yeah, I don't know this spot. Yeah. When I talk about the spot down, I can tell about and thing. Never tried Dennis either. So. Center camera, you suppose you can see Orlando Eye anywhere along this stretch. To how high it is. There's a liquor store. Look at this. Boston lobster. Man. Whoa. The door pulled a while ago though. A while ago the aroma is really nice. Let me see what else is around here. Let me check. Yeah, so around the back you have Gala Gift. Looks like it's not there anymore. Food market are also around there too. And you have Maya's Italian Kitchen. Yeah, that's it. Alright, man, I think let's continue. Let's go. Alright, good day. So we're now at number 15. I could take the picture for you.
Alright.
I could take the picture for you if you wanted it.
It's okay.
All right. Oh, no problem. Good evening. So if you want to see what Icon Park looks like, you can actually watch that video on the channel. I do an extensive tour of Icon Park. Yeah, I did an extensive tour of Icon Park, even riding the slingshot, the Orlando Eye, and also the Star Flyer. So you can watch that video to see exactly what the rides are like. I think it's an extensive tour, so you're definitely gonna love it. See? So that is it. What I will do, I will just walk right through the front area here and go on the other side.
That's what I'm saying. Just the jets are like, they would just go little.
Yeah, so you will see the full tour of Icon Park. Oh, unfortunately, Slingshot is actually closed today. Oh, that's weird things. Man. I'm just walking through the park so you can just see a little snippet of the front part going around on International Drive. Are closed for a lightning warning?
Yes.
Oh man. No idea when you'll start back?
We're just trying to watch everything right now. We'll be open till 2 a.m.
Alright, cool. Bless up, respect.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so Icon Park. So this is Icon Park, Orlando Eye. And we're just passing through. So yeah, if you want to see the full video, you can actually type in Icon Park on Jamaica Walk By and you will see the full tour of this place. It's an incredible park. Very nice place. Yeah. That's it. Oh, you saw the video? You saw it? Yeah, you were down that. Oh yeah. Bless up, respect. All right. Yeah. Massive parking lot, man. Woo. So let me walk here. And as you know, this is the Star Flyer. So there's lightning warning in the area, so you know. Woo! Oh, I thought it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Thought she was the girl from the video, but no. Oh, there she is. There she is. Let me just see her. Hey, I thought she was you.
Hi, how are you? I'm good.
Yeah, that's great. I guess you guys are actually on pause for the lightnings, right? Yeah. I'm just doing a tour now on International Drive, so I'm going all the way. I've been walking from 21, so I'm going all the way as far as I can. Yeah, I hope you saw the video. I'm not sure if you saw
I
it.
haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, it's on my
but
channel.
I am following you.
That's it.
I've seen one of them, but I haven't seen when you went on it.
It was crazy.
I have to go.
The love is real. All right, take care. All right. All right. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yeah, man. We'll go through massive. No joke. No joke. International Drive. Let's do this. So we are now at the Star Flyer ride. It's actually closed now because of the lightning and the lightning warning. So let's go. Right. Yeah, I feel some rain a drop, but it don't seem like it go really far. So let's continue. Let me tell you what time is it right now. Let me see how much persons are going to be surprised. Alright, it is now 7:25 in the PM. 7:25 PM. And it's still lit, still bright. So we're coming on to Ripley's Believe It or Not building. This is where it's at. Ripley's Believe It or Not. Yeah. I'm not sure if we can just go in like that, but yeah. International Drive, this is it. They make it different. So it's on a hill and then tilt the building into the hill. So it's just weird. It just looks weird. Yeah. International Drive, Ripley's Believe It or Not. Yeah. Let's go. So Ripley's Believe It or Not as a maze. I don't know why I never did see this. This just slipped me eye. Mad. We're now at number 11. I guess they pressed it. Really not. Seems like it not work. Weird. Let's go. It doesn't seem to be working, so you just gotta cross when it's clear. So center camera, this is the world largest McDonald's. Trust me, I heard they do even pasta and stuff over there. Never been in there, but me probably walk over there because I'm not sure if me will get a chance to see what inside of there look like. So why am I following these guys? I thought the sign said to walk. I could I get hit by a car, bro. Didn't realize. World largest McDonald's. Alright, let's go check it out.
Wait.
So I'm going to just get a synopsis of what inside of there look like as the world largest McDonald's. Me then do pasta, me send them do burgers, loads of different stuff in there. So let's take a little quick walk and see what inside looks like as we continue the walk on International Drive. Yeah. No something. See, passing all those African Americans, and not one of them seem to speak English. They're speaking French. Alright, world largest McDonald's. I think. Let me see what inside of you look like. So other than the world's largest McDonald, it seems like one of the world's largest selling McDonald's too. As you can see, everything prepared right in front of you. My first time looking inside of here, and so far it's amazing. Very clean, different, super different. Tons of things are going. So let me see if I can understand what is going on. So pretty much you order on those display that we realize what they're doing. So they are placing their orders on those screens there as people wait in line to do so. Yeah. And then from that your number place, and then you have the regular look what me and you know about, and then you have a regular place over here, so you don't know they make the burgers and thing. That's nice. See there? That's a cheese sandwich. Wow, loads of stuff going on. Pizza, even pizza. Look over there, some pizza I make. Wow.
You might want to check everything.
Definitely could try in here. Different. There's a line everywhere. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to. Oh, they have a pastry section as well. Oh, so on this side, cake. They have cake, they have ice cream. Inside here is massive, like loads. The decor is nice too. You can see you have a fish tank right there, and you can actually get your free juice over there. So apart from your purchase, you can refill. That is what I like. This is what they cut out of Jamaica, which not nice, none at all. You can actually refill. And yeah, you refill and you're good to go. You go and eat and drink. Mad thing. Oh, this is what it looks like inside. Yeah, that's fine. And we have the upstairs, so let's see what is upstairs. What is this? Oh, it's a photo booth. You can actually take the photos right here. Alright, let's see on the upstairs. Let's see the upstairs. So it's a kiddies here on the upstairs. Whoa. I didn't know all of this. Man. Do not do this. You will lose all your tickets. This is a scam. everything. So we're inside the world's largest McDonald's and it's a blast. Trust me. Alright. Whoa. Camper. Come on, camper. Campers. Yeah, so we're out of the McDonald's and we are continuing the walk on International Drive. Also, the McDonald's have drive-through, yeah? So drive-through is also there if you don't want to go inside and do all of the good stuff. Yeah, man. Alright, so I'm gonna try and cross the road on the other side. I don't know. We'll walk on the other side from get-go. So this is a second Dennis. Boy, BK, McDonald's a get a run right as a boy. Trust me. As me I say massive, you better not cross the road where you're not supposed to cross. Notice them put them unbroken white line there. Yeah, don't cross it. They have jaywalking and them thing, they're serious over here. And them fully enforce it, yeah? Believe. Notice, people don't wait. Run to get you. Run to catch it. Yeah. So there's a slingshot, as in the car. Mad. Nice. Machine. Machine. Bossy. Machine. See loads of people going inside of this place. I'm not sure what it is, so let's see. Wagon. Chuck E. Cheese. We had fun here. This is a very, very nice place to take your child. And if she is less than 2, very, very good place to bring your child. Yeah, Chuck E. Cheese. The play area, the food, everything on point. Chuck E. Cheese, Jamaica walk by, say big up. We have a really good time over there. Yeah, man. Because what did happen is that we find a very hard time finding place where we could have fun and eat at the same time for your child under 2. And Chuck E. Cheese turned out to be the best place. Yeah, man. So we're there, bus stop number 9. Sorry. This place is closed. Buffalo Wild Wings. Seems like we're pulling out of a place now where this look like it used to lock. We used to run but now it lock. McDonald has to look away. Sorry. Welcome to Orlando, the city beautiful. Thanks. Some live gator, man. What did they say? Anywhere yesterday, kids? Where's the mom? Mom probably be nearby. I think I'll leave for them. Yikes. Jaja. Big. Alright. This is where we're at. It's an adventure park. Yeah. Bless up, bro. Nice. So let's see. What? This is it. Let me see this one. I'm a YouTuber. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, he couldn't bite. His mouth is all taped up.
Well, I could always remove it.
Yeah.
I deal with it all the time.
Yeah, somebody had to put it on there.
I deal with all of them. I deal with
Touch it. Let me touch it. I want to. Yeah, I like the feel of the skin. Really.
Oh yeah.
It's beautiful. Feels just like the boots.
Only this part, sadly.
Yeah, the top is very solid, but underneath there. What's his name?
John.
John.
Come on, little John.
I wrote it.
Yeah. How old is he?
He's a year now.
Oh, he's here.
I thought you'd be good.
So where are their mommy?
Not here.
Cause once you see the small one, the mommy and daddy probably nearby.
Big ones in there.
No, we have big ones, but no, the mommies, we rescue them. So
Okay.
we either rescue them from when they're small or even bigger.
Oh, all right, you do it, bro. Respect.
Appreciate it.
What's the name of this place again?
Gator Golf.
See? That's it. So you're on Instagram too?
Not officially yet.
Oh,
We
yeah.
have a guy finally building it up.
All right, that's great because I'll give you a really nice shout out.
I appreciate
You know? Yeah. So this is where we're at. Nice. You wanna have? Oh yeah?
What's the face called? Like YouTube page.
Oh, my YouTube is Jamaica Walk By.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm from Jamaica, but I tour. I do travel videos.
I'll look at it.
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, bless up, my friend. Ooh. Nice. So this is what a place look like. So you can pretty much view a few crocodiles and stuff, and get to see the tour. I would do this because you know when it comes down to nature, my bravery kick in, you know. Yeah, my nature kick in, and them thing I'm like mad thing. Tell me how you would work out this. The name of this place. 1,000 gifts, $1.99. How would you work this out? You can go, you get 1,000 gifts for $1.99, or if you buy 1,000 gifts, you get it for $1.99, or listen, 1,000 gifts, each one of them $1.99. I don't know, but then see I say place name. So in my head, based on how it right, 1,000 gift you get it for $1.99. Argument done. So I want to go in and take up 1,000 something, and I want to pay $1.99, and because I'm generous, I just tell them to keep it change and give them $2. Yeah. So we are actually at number 8 bus stop on International Drive, and the place still marvelous. Alright, something definitely going on over here. Let's go check it out. Can tell by the screaming. Oh, it's a fire true or something. See what's going on.
Fantastic, boy, lovely. The amazing Hawaii. And also our friend Alema. And our fire night dancer, and it's also his birthday today. Let's give it up for our friend Savoy. And also fairly big round of applause for me. Thank you. Family, we hope you enjoyed yourselves here just as much as we enjoyed.
Nice.
Family, for this last number, if you want to take pictures with us, we'll be right here for a couple more moments. We also have our friend Pooh.
Yeah, that was a cool show. Yeah. Alright, we have a far way to go. So, let's go.
We say until we meet again. So from all of us to all of you, we'd like to say, Aloha!
Aloha. There are tons of smoke shop in Orlando. Yeah, sure.
But you are so quickly. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. I'm actually recording right now.
Oh,
You want to ask me a question?
yeah, but without that.
Without that, all right. I'm just gonna give her a second. Let's go. All right, that was pretty cool. Yeah, just some females stopped me to ask me a question off the air, but that's nice. That was so cool. So I had a nice little conversation with a few females. That was so cool. The question they asked me, I can't say, but it was wonderful. Sorry. Did you hear what that song was saying, bro? It's crazy over here. This is the closest Jamaican plant I've seen in America so far.
89?
Yeah, definitely. Rockstone, not even remember this place over here. Swear to God. KFC, I didn't even remember you. Big man thing. Another Walgreen. Walgreen full up over here. Beautiful. Beautiful. other side, because there's just trees on this side going down, but there are some places over there. Oh, this lady is right on the pedestrian. They should back up. Breakfast and more. So it's like a golf course, you know? Man. Gators. Man. Another Denny's. Yo. This is like a third Denny's on International Drive alone. might take on the other side. Arlington. Yes, my Jamaican them are watching. I want all the nice bag in the Burlington is the place. You hear? Counting down. Tourist Information Center. Another one. across here. So as I realize down this side now, it's more lonely now. Different side of International Drive, but you don't know. Going that way is actually what, see the sign there? Municipal Drive. So wow. International Drive is beautiful. Not gonna lie. Beautiful, super clean. Been a walk for a while now, I mean I tell you. So me just switch the side and go down a little bit further. Yeah. Then we head back. Or you know what? Let's just continue on here. These rides take long. Let's just go. Over here so now Sonic. Sir. Yeah, massive. So I think this is as far as I'll go on International Drive. You know what I mean? It's a long stretch, but pretty much this here is like almost the end of International Drive. Only resorts and where people live is up this side. Yeah, mad thing. I still can see fun spot from behind there. Don't know, reach Orlando International Resort Club, and it's beautiful. For the foreign, you have to walk up and down, brother. Walk up and down and look, learn the place, understand the place. Yeah, see? Right here, so I stop. So I walk straight to the number 3. Mad thing. So you can see if none of the bus them the boat. So I'm gonna take one of the I-Ride bus. I'm gonna take one of the I-Ride bus and I'm gonna show you as me that explain like right at the front of the video how it work. You see it? Where you actually, I think it's the cheapest way of commute if you're there in the international drive area. You see me? Yeah, I think are the easiest way. So you just buy a ticket and the tickets are so cheap, so low. And you can buy one and you can ride the bus anytime of night, anytime of day for 3 days and you should be good. After the 3 days you can buy it again and you can do that online, which they will just scan the QR code. Once them scan the QR code and you do that, you're good to go. But yeah man, the I-Ride, love how them put US tax money at work. You see me? Yes I, no joke. So we just there stand up at the number 3 and things. So let me see on the map here to show which part we're there. Number 4, let me see, International Drive. Alright, so we're the way up here, so we're right here, so. And then you have number 3, number 2 there, and number 1 around there, so which is the end. So we stand up right here, so not much not really there here, so other than Desertland, which is the car Mr. Desertland place. Yeah, right on as Mr. Desertland place where him have all of the antique car them and thing. That is the only spot we not go walk down to, but me do a full tour of that, yeah, which will be on the channel by now or shortly. Yeah man, I probably couldn't walk on number 2, you know, but the thing is I don't want to walk on number 2 and then pass one of the bus in at the meantime that I got, because I have to go wait now upon the next bus. You see me? Because right now I look down there, look like a one that I forward, so I could see for one of them before me even cut the video. We can show you where bus look like and what we do when you go on it. Yeah, look like a one. If I know one of the free bus. Yeah, you have some bus to run on the road. I don't understand how it works. Alright, so this have chartered on there. Let me say this is our own of the coach bus. Alright, I'll just take a one. Yeah, we can take this. Alright, Charlie, red line. Yeah, I'm just going up to the McDonald's.
No, I understand. I understand.
Alright, so this is actually one of the free bus. So if you stand up at one of the I-Trolley, the I-Ride trolley bus stop, and this is coming, this will stop and this will pick you up. They won't ask you any question at all as to, you know, where you're going or what up and so on. But yeah, pretty much get a ride for free. Pretty much get a ride for free on one of these buses. So if you're out here and see it come, you can take it. Look how pretty inside of it is. Super beautiful bus. And you can just ride this bus for free. No joke, no doubt, massive. See there, you see something do it, just walk in on the bus, tell them where I go. And if you drive off, and you pretty much just gonna sit down. Yeah man, that's how you make taxpayers' money go to work. So I want to thank everybody who actually stay tuned and watch the entire walk of International Drive in Orlando, Florida. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it, and mad love, mad respect. And we're almost at 200,000 subscribers, I tell you. And a joke thing, man. And we have far more to go. Far more to go. That is it. One love, always. Blessings from blessings. You see me? Yeah, man. No joke, no doubt. Let's go.